guys! So yun, day 3 na namin dito sa Bohol. And nagto kami sa Panglao. And right now, lumipat na kami ng pinagstayan namin dito. And nandito kami ngayon sa Venicia Hotel and Suites. So yun, ikot ko muna kayo sa buong hotel. So, para makita nyo yung yung lahat ng meron dito sa hotel. So, let's go! Okay, so guys, when you enter the gate, so yan yung makikita nyo. Tingnan nyo ba yung mga little fishies there? Little fishies! Diba? Na mga little tadpole. So, yan. Yan yung unang makikita nyo. In front of the resort. So, bago lang to guys. This year lang to. According to my cousin. Yan, itong mga halaman. So, yan. So, I don't know if this is open, but let's try. So, this is the entrance. So, this is the entrance. Okay, it's open. So, this is the entrance, right? When you open the entrance, so, nakita nyo. So, this one is the reception area. So, kayo pwede mag-book. Actually, nandun yung front desk officer nila. Then, when you turn left, meron ditong restaurant, I think. Or maybe you can eat here, or yeah. So, yan. So, alam ko you can order din here eh. Kasi they have a menu right here. Okay. It's the Venicia. Oh, sorry. So, it's yan. Mga food na lang ako. Pero I didn't had a chance to try it because we went to eat out last night. Okay. So, yon. Then, merong CR doon. Laboratory. There. Oh, let's try to check the CR. Okay. Oh, it's locked. Okay, it's locked. Sorry. Okay, so, kabilang side, right side of the reception area. So this is the place where people can stay while waiting for their check-in or check-out. So yeah, it's nice and cozy. Some aircon dun sa guys. There. Okay, and then dito sa labas, meron dito sa kabilang side the chairs, then another chairs, and then the pool itself. So, yan yung pool. Actually, guys, we tried it last night and it's very nice. Mainit yung water. And may free inflatables pa. As you can see on my previous vlog, wait, pasa yung floor dito. Dito tayo dumaan. Okay, dito, I'm not sure what's in here. Oh, it's a house too. It's also a room. And maybe dito, another room siguro ulit. Inikot ko na yun. Yeah, mga rooms pa. So, yan. Then, okay. So, yan, mga rooms din yan, guys. Yan. Ganda, diba? So brand new. And so cozy and clean and nice. So, yan, mga rooms. Hindi ko alam how many rooms are there here. But yeah. This is also rooms. Rooms and rooms and rooms. Yung mga halaman guys. So nice. All around girls cousin. I'll be touring you around the room guys. Come with me. Room 102. Going in the house now, in the room. We're going in the toilet first. This is the shower. Very nice shower. Toilet. Bin. And sink. And this is off. Show us. Okay. Going out the room. In the kitchen. Sink. Water. Kettle
already stuff.
Can use this guys for free.
It's a fridge. There's already stuff here, but you have to pay when you drink it.
How much?
The price is
Celine
This is
Dion
the room.
for the first time
This
ever.
is TJ. Say hi, TJ. Maria.
Liam is dying with sunburns at the moment. So this is bed number 1. This is where me and Abigail slept.
Tickets on sale.
This is where the rest of people slept. How's the bed? The bed, it's comfy, alright. This is the. What's this? This is a sofa. It can be a bed as well. I'm gonna use that. This is where I did my makeup. It's the back balcony. It's really shit. It's okay. We didn't really use it. And the TV. My favorite channel, next. So, that's it. What can you say about the I think the room is fabulous. And there you have it, guys. So that is the entire Venetian Hotel Resort suites, and yeah. So thank you very much to Kim for helping me out doing the room tour. Because I actually have a bad cough and cold right now. So yeah, I can't speak that clearly. So she had to help me out. And also thank you very much to my Tita Tina for tagging me along with this very nice long 7 days vacation. So yeah. Anyway, so yeah. So I like this last place that we stayed. This is very nice. So I definitely recommend it to all my friends who want to look for a place to stay here in Bohol, in Panglao. So guys, you can find this hotel in booking.com or anywhere booking sites online. You can even share it because I'm going to be putting the link down below in the info box. So yeah, and also, so yun guys, so yung mga laman ng CR, so they have free what do you call it, shampoo, soaps, and all that stuff, coffee. You can make your own coffee. There's a kettle inside the room, so we can also use for free not actually for free because you paid for it. You can also use the plates and spoons if you have foods to bring inside. So I don't think it's prohibited to bring your own food here. So, but it's just what I told you guys earlier. They also have a restaurant here. You can order anything from the menu. Yeah. Then, what else? So what I really like about our room is that it's very clean. Since this is a new hotel, it just opened this year, guys. So yun, ang lambot ng kama nila, sobra. And I really sleep very comfortable last night.
A few moments later.
Honestly, try honesty, no. go.